Starting your 3D printing journey can feel confusing, but choosing the right machine makes everything easier, faster, and more enjoyable for learning, creativity, and small home projects. Top 5 Best 3D Printer for Beginners helps newcomers print confidently with simple setup easily. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer for Beginners. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M series stands out as an excellent 3D printer for beginners who want fast results without technical frustration. Designed with simplicity in mind, this printer features one-click automatic bed leveling, eliminating the need for manual calibration. This ensures consistent first layers and strong bed adhesion, which is often the biggest challenge for new users. The Core XY motion system delivers impressive performance, offering up to 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, allowing users to complete projects quickly without sacrificing precision. Despite its speed, the printer maintains excellent stability and smooth output, making it suitable for both learning and light professional use. Smart design elements such as a quick-release nozzle system allow nozzle changes in just 3 seconds, while the high-flow nozzle supports steady material extrusion. The dual-sided PEI build plate makes print removal easy and reduces print failures. Print quality is further enhanced with dual fan cooling, vibration compensation, and support for multiple nozzle sizes, enabling both fine details and faster prints. Beginners will also appreciate the FlashMaker mobile app, which allows remote monitoring and control, making the experience modern and intuitive. Overall, the Adventurer 5M is a powerful yet approachable option for beginners who want speed, reliability, and minimal setup complexity.
Number 2. FLASHFORGE 5M Pro 3D Printer for Beginners. The FLASHFORGE 5M Pro is a highly capable beginner-friendly 3D printer that blends speed, stability, and smart automation into one polished machine. Built with an all-metal Core XY frame, it maintains excellent rigidity during high-speed printing, ensuring consistent layer alignment and sharp details. With printing speeds reaching 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm per second squared, this printer significantly reduces waiting time, making it ideal for users eager to see fast results. Despite its speed, the 5M Pro delivers reliable print quality supported by multiple nozzle size options that allow users to prioritize either speed or fine detail. Automatic pressure sensing bed leveling removes the need for manual Z-axis calibration, ensuring perfect first layers every time. The dual-sided PEI build plate further enhances ease of use with tool-free model removal. One of the strongest features for beginners is its quick setup, ready to print in around 10 minutes. The FlashMaker app adds another layer of convenience, enabling remote video monitoring, real-time adjustments, and smart alerts. Safety and reliability are improved with features like filament detection, resume printing after power loss, and automatic shutdown. Supporting a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber filaments, the 5M Pro offers flexibility for growth beyond beginner projects. This printer is an excellent long-term investment for users who want professional-grade features without complexity. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer for Beginners. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a unique and creative-focused 3D printer that introduces beginners to advanced multicolor printing without overwhelming them. Capable of printing up to 4 colors simultaneously, this printer opens the door to vibrant, visually impressive designs that are usually reserved for higher-end machines. Its Intelligent Filament System, IFS, simplifies filament handling by automatically detecting and managing filament flow, reducing print interruptions and material waste. This feature is particularly valuable for beginners who may struggle with manual filament changes. Performance is another strong point, with a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and high acceleration that ensures fast project completion while maintaining accuracy. The all-metal Core XY structure enhances stability and minimizes libration, resulting in smoother prints even during complex multicolor jobs.
The AD5X also supports flexible TPU materials, expanding its usability beyond basic plastic models into functional and creative applications. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it offers enough space for most beginner and intermediate projects. Overall, the AD5X is an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore artistic and multicolor printing early in their 3D printing journey, combining automation, speed, and creative freedom in one reliable machine.
Number 4. FLASHFORGE Multi-Material 3D Printer for Beginners. The FLASHFORGE Multi-Material AD5X is designed for beginners who want flexibility and performance in one advanced yet approachable printer. Its ability to handle both multicolor and multi-material printing sets it apart from standard beginner models. Using the Intelligent Filament System, users can seamlessly print with different filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, and carbon fiber composites in a single project. This makes it ideal for creative designs, functional parts, and experimental prints. The fully automatic bed leveling system ensures consistent nozzle-to-bed distance across multiple points, delivering flawless first layers without manual effort. Speed is another highlight, with printing capabilities up to 600 millimeters per second and strong acceleration that maintains accuracy even during fast operation. The all-metal Core XY motion structure combined with vibration compensation algorithms significantly improves layer alignment and surface finish. This results in professional-looking prints even for beginners. The printer's robust construction minimizes mechanical errors, while its smart automation reduces common beginner mistakes. For users who want to grow their skills and experiment with advanced materials and color combinations, the FLASHFORGE Multi-Material AD5X provides a future-proof solution that balances ease of use with high-end features.
Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer for Beginners. The FLASHFORGE AD5M is a versatile and beginner-friendly 3D printer designed to support users from their first print to more advanced projects. Featuring a fully automatic one-click leveling system, it removes one of the most intimidating steps for beginners, ensuring perfect first layers every time. The Core XY all-metal motion structure provides smooth, quiet, and stable performance even at high speeds, making printing both reliable and efficient. One standout feature is the patent quick-release nozzle system, allowing users to change nozzle sizes in just 3 seconds without tools. This makes maintenance simple and encourages experimentation with different print resolutions. The AD5M also integrates seamlessly with the Orca FlashForge Slicer and FlashMaker app, enabling batch file transfers, multi-printer monitoring, and remote print control. Practical features such as power loss recovery ensure that prints resume after outages, reducing wasted time and material. The flexible double-sided PEI build plate makes model removal easy and supports PETG printing on its reverse side. Overall, the FLASHFORGE AD5M is an excellent all-rounder for beginners who want reliability, modern smart features, and room to grow without upgrading too soon. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.